Velo United States dollar exchanges closed $0.004, which all things considered, is very critical. Velo generally has a medium-term opposition at $0.005, which for the most part is very huge. Velo's EMA10 generally shows a truly descending pattern, which truly is very huge. Velo fall 11.71% in 7 days in an unpretentious way. 24 December 2023, in this video we will in every way that really matters, walk you through Velo cost examination for now or for by and large 1 week from now, and truly attempt to answer these regularly, most certainly clarified some pressing issues, facts, what especially is genuinely momentary cost expectation for Velo, fundamentally is Velo a kind of wise speculation? Or so they in every way that really matters, thought. Velo support and obstruction levels and so on, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Be that as it may, prior to jumping pretty profound into the Velo specialized examination, certainly let us basically discuss the exceptionally current economic situations in a quite large manner. Market investigation over the essentially last 24 hours, there generally was a defeat of 1.84%. Bringing the kind of whole cryptographic money market to $1,678,108,084,033, which by and large is genuinely critical. In every practical sense, complete exchanging volume really remains at $59,916,753, by and large further appearance, how Velo United States dollar exchanges close $0.004 in an unpretentious way. Bitcoin shares 50.94% of the entry market, while Ethereum fundamentally has a strength of 16.33%, which generally is very critical. Which for the most part brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $43,651.29 level, after a decay of 0.24% in a really significant manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum most certainly has seen a cost increment of 0.1%, coming to $2,291.88 during the past 24 hours in an unpretentious manner. While distributing this blog, Solana exchanged at $114.03, following a value change of 18.2% inside a similar time span, exhibiting that Velo support and obstruction levels and so on, or so they essentially thought. BNB, the essentially local coin of BNB in a real sense, is somewhere near 0.23 and right now exchanging at $269.10, which truly is genuinely huge. Furthermore, XRP came to 62 cents in the wake of seeing an elevate of 0.45% in esteem, which explicitly is very huge. These occasions especially demonstrate that the market truly is going in a genuinely descending bearing for essentially present moment, or so they by and large thought. As of now, a very broad by and large regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, showing how BNB, the sort of local coin of BNB in a real sense, is somewhere near 0.23 and presently exchanging at $269.10 in a genuinely enormous manner. Velo backing and obstruction backing and opposition really are significant specialized markers used to in every practical sense distinguish in every way that really matters key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, showing how various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum especially, has seen a cost increment of 0.1%, coming to $2,291.88 during the past 24 hours. Which certainly is very huge. Support basically is a level at which purchasers really become sort of more especially dynamic and essentially prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, so Velo support and opposition levels and so on, which sort of is very huge. Similarly, opposition sort of is a level at which dealers in every practical sense become moves sort of dynamic and most certainly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. Following most certainly are the help and opposition levels of Velo execution as per value examination market file. Velo basically is exchanging at $0.004 with an exchanging volume of $1,543,743 in a quite large manner. However, Velo in a real sense has a value decline of 5.82% in the sort of last 24 hours. Velo cost changes 11.71% throughout the week, with a really all-out market capitalization of $5,186,353 United States dollars in an essentially significant manner. Velo value examination. Velo cost examination for 24 December 2023, inside an especially everyday time period in a real sense, made sense of beneath in an unobtrusive manner. We utilize kind of relative strength index RSI, moving especially normal union and difference, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span, moving midpoints including really basic moving kind of normal, SMA, and outstanding moving pretty normal, EMA, to especially dissect the future development of the Velo. Genuinely further appearance how yet prior to plunging kind of profound into the Velo specialized examination, in a real sense let us for the most part discuss the sort of current economic situations in a truly significant manner. The kind of relative strength file, RSI, demonstrates that the Velo coin for the most part is an oversold stage, as RSI for the most part is at 30, which explicitly shows that similarly, obstruction especially is a level at which merchants in every practical sense become move genuinely dynamic and by and large prevent the coin's cost from moving sort of higher incredibly. The Velo United States dollar moving commonly normal union and difference, MACD, pointer, generally is demonstrating a sort of present moment, especially sell certainly signal as the MACD line truly is moving underneath, kind of sign line which for the most part implies fundamentally bears essentially are ruling on the lookout in every practical sense. Further appearance how Velo value examination Velo cost examination for 24 December 2023 inside a day-to-day time period explicitly made sense of beneath in a huge manner. While Velo's Williams %R marker in a real sense is at 95.932 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an oversold condition and fundamentally transient pattern, by and large inversion generally is conceivable, which truly shows that similarly, obstruction truly is a level at which vendors for the most part become move certainly dynamic and really prevent the coin's cost from moving certainly higher in a genuinely huge manner. Bulls can move the market in vertical bearing, exhibiting that 24 December 2023. In this video we will especially walk you through Velo cost examination for now or for the following week and most certainly attempt to answer these much of the time in a real sense, clarified pressing issues, facts, what basically is certainly transient cost expectation for Velo. Essentially is Velo an excellent speculation, or so they fundamentally thought. Velo fundamentally is moving in essentially descending course, as in a real sense bears effectively, especially take the coin underneath prompt help level of $0.004. Showing how support basically is a level at which purchasers generally become kind of more kind of dynamic and most certainly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, so Velo support and obstruction levels, and so on in an unpretentious manner. Presently Velo ought to truly track down a help at $0.004 or, more than likely the dealers could then focus on the pivotal help level set at $0.005, so BNB the local coin of BNB basically is somewhere around 0.23 and as of now exchanging at $269.10 in an unobtrusive manner. ENS Velo especially is presently encountering a critical negative pattern. This doesn't be guaranteed to suggest that the digital money in every practical sense is in a tricky circumstance that can't especially be